Hello, yes, good morning everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. Today is 11th of October. So I'd like us to start off. I want us to start off with the Euro USD. Just a second. We have it here. So this chart, it looks like the price is very much to the lower side. As it is now, we'd like to see some pullback. We'd like to see price pull back at least up to this point here. So basically we do have a support here. We do have a support here. We do have a support here. There is this move to the upper side, and then there is this move, then there is this break to the lower side. So as we are speaking now, we'd like to see price pull back up to somewhere within this area here, 1.16234, 1.16388. If the price can pull back nicely up to somewhere within this area here, then this should give us a correct place to look for a sell from. So we'll sell it there, and then we'll have our stop loss above the candle which broke below it. So if you sell it here, you may have a pending sell limit, have your stop loss above this level here, and then you have your take profit at this point here. So we just want to wait for this pullback, and then we pick a sell position. Our stop loss is fixed above the high of the candle which broke below it, and then our take profit is at 1.14043. The next chart which I want us to look at is the British pound dollar, this one. So with the GBP USD, so far the price is headed to the lower side. This is also some sell. It means it looks like the price may likely continue to the lower side, even though currently the price is upwards. So we do have a support here. We do have a very good support level here. Look at how nicely this level was used for almost 3 months. We had a support here in July. In August we had a support. In September we had a support before the price broke below it. Then it came back up to the same place. So as it is now, we are actually banking on the current candle. If this candle does not close beyond 1.36101, then this could be a good place to sell from, at least up to this point here. So basically this will be a good place we want to look for a sell from. This is a good place we'd like to sell from if the price closes below 1.36101. Sorry, 1.36181. If the price should go down and close below this level here, then we do expect a continuation to the lower side, at least up to 1.34153. And as long as the price is held above the same level, then maybe we may see price continue up to this trend line here, so that we pick a sell position like this, then a pullback before we see a continuation to the lower side. So that would mean that we want to sell here, and we want to sell also at this point here. Does that make sense, whatever I'm saying? So these are some of the few places where we want to look for a trade from. Either we wait and sell at this point here, or we went and sell at this point here. So depending on what happens after the close of today's candle, we may expect price to continue up, or we may expect price to continue to the lower side, at least up to this level 1.34163. The other symbol which I want us to look at is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with the US dollar Japanese yen, so far the price is bullish. You can see that the price is actively in an uptrend. If we check the Forex, you can see that we are in a very good uptrend. We did have a level here. We did have a very good level there. This is like some resistance. There is this breakout. So as we're speaking now, you can see that the price is somehow still above the same place. So what this means is that the price is very much to the upper side. So keep looking for more buy positions, keep looking for more buy orders, expect price to continue up. We are actually looking for a buy at least up to this level here. So ultimately we do expect price to continue up to 113.607. Does that make sense? Okay, so the other symbol which I want us to look at, the next symbol which I want us to look at, SP500. So you remember what I said previously, this is upwards, this is very much bullish. Actually the previous week's candle is somehow some bullish candle. We have this here. So if you are looking at this chart as we're speaking now, look for buy positions, expect price to continue to the upper side, expect price to continue upwards at least up to this point here, 45.42.8. so keep looking for buy orders. We are expecting price to continue up to this level here, where if the price breaks beyond it, then that will mean we are now continuing to the upper side. So we just want to see what happens. We are waiting for price around the previous week's opening price so that we can pick a very good buy position. The next symbol is gold. Gold, so far nothing much appears to be happening. We had very little movements the previous week. The price barely did anything as we expected. Just let's see what we do expect to be happening. So on this chart, technically there is a level here. We do have a trend line there, and then we also have a trend line from the bottom. So this means that the price may likely continue upwards. The price may likely continue to the upper side, but should not break beyond this level here, the upper trend line. So if you are looking at this chart, keep looking for buy positions, expecting price to continue upwards at least up to this level here. So a bounce from this point will be a good place to look for a sell from, at least up to the lower trend line. Does that make sense? So if the price breaks beyond this point, we want to see some pullback before it can continue upwards up to this level here. Then the next target is this one. So basically, if you can check properly, you can see something here. You can see that we do expect a move like this, and then a correction, and then a continuation to the upside. This is what we expect to be happening. So this will be the best place to look for a buy from. The last symbol for the day is the Brent oil. So the Brent oil, so far it looks like the price has embarked on an active uptrend. We actually do expect buyers to push price upwards. It has actually hit the level, so this will be a good place to look for a sell from. So if the price bounces off from within 84.097, then this may act as a good place to look for a sell from. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you. See you.